Alright, in case you're wondering how the best way to start your Kamado Joe, or any ceramic grill for that matter, the best tool to use, the best tool in your arsenal is the Jow Blow electric starter. It's basically like a hairdryer on steroids. This thing will literally get your charcoal lit in about 2 to 2.5 minutes. So when it's 17 degrees outside and you're wanting to cook steaks, no better tool to use. I'm going to show you how it works. Alrighty, I'm just going to take it, get it started like that, stick it in there, just give it a minute. It's already been 45-50 seconds and we already have flames. And that's how you do that.